Yes, we are live.
A very good evening to everybody. Welcome to yet another session of Anajury. Today we have with us Moshami S. Borpujari. She is a faculty at the Art of Living Foundation, and she has been working at the ground level, and she will talk about yoga, meditation, and its benefits. She will also demonstrate a few yoga poses for people who work for a long time, sitting in front of their computers. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Very good evening to everybody. Thank you, Anajari, inviting me to such a beautiful platform. This is, I'm a top viewers. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, ma'am, my first question to you would be, what is meditation, and how meditation helps us stay calm, keep calm in, in these trying times?
Okay. Now, I would like to ask, what is meditation? General concept. In general, what people think about the meditation. What is meditation? Follow me. According to you, what is meditation?
Okay, it's like I would say, I mean, I am not a good person to, comment on this, but
From
but
childhood,
I would say,
this term, no? Like dhyan do, dhyan de. Yes, from
yeah,
childhood.
concentrating on something, and for a long time, and without distraction, you try to calm yourself and
Okay, according
focus
to
on something.
yes, concentration. Yes, yes. Can we use the chat box that viewers
Yeah.
can use the chat box or what, so we can see that chat? What meditation is
Right.
according to the viewers? Priyanshu, you can tell me the answers. Okay, if
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You know what? Meditation, usually if you ask the people what is meditation, it's like Paulomi said, it's a concentration. Is it possible to concentrate somewhere else? Concentrate. If I ask you now, think everything. Sab kotha bhavo, except a dancing monkey. You can try now. It's very interesting, Think everything, whatever you want, except dancing monkey. Sab kotha bhavo, অকল নাচি থকা এটা বান্দৰৰ কথা নভাবিব. Is it possible? No, na? So meditation is what you know. It's a deconcentrate in your brain. Alertful rest. While we sleep, আমি যেতিয়া শুই যাওঁ, তো তেতিয়া কি হয় আমাৰ আমি শুই যাওঁ আৰু আমাৰ পুৰা system হৈ যায়, but except this portion. সেই portionটো আমাৰ নুশুৱে. So during meditation, we will get a complete rest from head to toe, alert, full rest. And what interesting is, why we need meditation. It's called like we need food for survival. Yes, we need food for survival. Meditation is a food for our soul. Meditation of koi dhyan hoise amar atmar khoa. Ami atma to khoa diu ne. So it is very important to meditate. Now, if you ask people, they say, no, I cannot sit for a long time. If we sit for a long time, what will happen? Starts catching here, paining here, there. Oh my God, it's very difficult to sit for a long time. No? So you know what? Jetiami movie sound. If you watch a movie and it's very interesting, 3 hours movie, aramiku gam na pao. We sit relaxed, no pain, no itching, no hunger, nothing else. Yes? No? So initially what we have to do, we have to practice to sit for a while. Little time we have to practice. Sit with the closed eyes, focus on your breath. We will experience today, okay? Follow me? We'll experience
Yes.
today. So what is meditation? And one more thing I would like to tell you. Like, I mean, God, every day we used to take bath, no? Here, the all the viewers, आप लोग सब नहाते हो ना? Yes. So, हम लोग नहाते हैं. So we used to take bath every day. Why? To clean our body. But আমি জানো আমাৰ মনটো wash কৰা সদায় যদি আমি এটা washroom সদায় use কৰি থাকো আৰু washroomটো পানী নাঢালো কি হ'ব it will start smelling, no? Like that. Meditation কি কৰে it will wash our brain, wash our mind, wash our impression, wash our thoughts. So it's very important to learn meditation and few minutes every day. Just be with yourself, be with your soul, be with yourself. And you see, it will change your whole life. I'm telling you, last 14, 15 years, I used to do every day, I used to do twice meditation, and lots of changes, transformation happened in my life. It's my experience. It's more experience of progress, so not just like, oh, there's something very fancy. So I would say, no, this is my experience. Okay? Okay, follow me.
Right, ma'am. Ma'am, my next question is, how do we create a work-life balance and how yoga can help in doing so?
Okay, now yoga. So what is yoga, Polami? You are here, so I will ask you, okay?
Okay.
What is yoga according to you? I know you are also yoga practitioner.
No, I am a beginner. I've just started and like I'll just try. I'll just attempt answering. So for me, yoga is more like it liberates you from all sorts of inhibition, and you learn more about yourself, your body, and you are in control of things. Like it helps you take charge like over your own body, sort of.
Okay. Generally, if we ask people for yoga, আমি সাধাৰণতে কি দেখো মানুহক oh okay yoga not for me now, I do not have time yaar. I will do, definitely I will join yoga class after my retirement. Yes, follow me.
Yes.
Why no?
Yes.
Usually people used to say like that. Or one general concept in people's minds that yoga means something Babaji kind of. One Chandan Tilak here.
Somebody has to like literally go to the mountains and sit there and
like wearing saffron cloths, not having anything outside food or no movie shuvie, no party sarty. Maybe the general concept of yoga is that. And we have to touch our nose to the knee. I don't know what something we have to do. So it's not for us. Once we get retirement, we will do. But what you know, what is yoga is basically ki hai yoga. You know, we are born yogi. We all are born yogi. আমি সকলো বিলাক born yogi হয়. আমি যেতিয়া জন্ম হৈছিলো, see, we are happy, no, at that time. When we are small, we are very happy. No, we are unconditionally happy when we are small. Mind it. Yes? Or যেতিয়া আমি ডাঙৰ হলো, slowly we grown up, our happiness connect with a condition. Our happiness will ki hol conditional would connect হৈ গল. Like if I get this, then I'll be happy. If I get a big Ferrari car, then I'll be happy. If I get a big house, then I'll be happy. If I get a big job, I'll be happy. If I get a girlfriend or handsome boyfriend or wife or husband or children, I'll be happy. Yes? But ask yourself, the viewers, you ask yourself, you have everything now. You got a good girlfriend, boyfriend, wife, husband, spouse, everything, whatever your desires, all fulfilled. Are you happy now? Yes. So you know what? When we are small, আমি যেতিয়া সৰু আছিলো আমাক একো নালাগে, আমি happy থাকো, mast থাকো. You know what? Yoga, according to Patanjali Yoga Sutra, yoga is united your breath, body, and mind. United your body, breath, and mind. Mon, Horir, Aru Ukha synchronize korai yoga. Now, how it's very tough, no? While we eat, what we used to do, we think for our job, we think for something else, yes?
Mm-hmm.
When we eat, we do something else. Our mind will engage in somewhere else. If we talk with someone else, our mind will somewhere else. That is not a yoga. What yoga is, if you're doing the work, if you're 100%, if you're alert, aware, what you say? Suppose you are angry. If you're alert, oh, I'm angry. Then you will get the signal what to do. Jadi amar khong utharan alert hoy jao. Kami signal pao. That is yogi. Yogi is not like doing a strategy.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
I think
Well, I think you need to turn off her video.
okay, I'll do that. Oh.
Yes, follow me.
Yeah.
Yes,
So,
can you hear us now?
Yoga is basically
Yeah, we can see you now. Unmute.
Yes.
Unmute koi labo.
beauty of online session. There's a beauty of online session. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah.
you are now, ma'am.
Yeah.
You cannot start your video because the host has stopped it. Someone have to start my video.
Okay. Then can you check now? Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
There's a beauty of online session, okay? So, so yoga basically what you do at the morning time, what we used to do. We used to stretch like this. Oh wow! We used to do like this and lazy ass. And this is if we do this with alertness, with awareness. Bas yoga done. If we have food with alertness, that's your yogi. If you can accept all the situation, you are yogi. Suppose traffic got fosilo, traffic got go aso, drive Korea so suddenly lots of traffic. So amar ki hoy? We stress out, no? Amar khong uthe. We cannot handle the situation and manage to naro paboge lage. But ami jodi stress home, ami jadu hinkale pai jam. Napa. So that alertness, that awareness in your mind, oh, doesn't matter. Listen, FM bojai gani hune metia, no? Or you plan something, goi ki korim, ki cooking korim, ghorat ki kaam ase, just plan, no? You see, that is why we do yoga, meditation to be happy. Yes, to be happy. Whatever we're doing, no, like doing job or some whatever we're doing for happiness. But যদি আমাৰ alertness আৰু awareness নাথাকে আমি সুখীয়ে নহয় আমি খং উঠি যাওঁ কিয় খং উঠিছো গম নাপাওঁ উঠিব as a human being that's a basic instinct, the anger, the jealousy, the greed, everything. It's a very natural. As a human being এই গোটেইকেইটা qualities আমাৰ থাকিব. Okay, net problem. Who's mine? Priyanshu?
Yeah, I'm here.
Follow me, you can ask something.
Yeah. Ma'am, my next question would be, right now you said you spoke about mindfulness, basically. So if we want to practice mindfulness, what all do we have to keep in mind, and how do we start our day and how do we go about it?
Like a child. Bacha dekhisa, no? what they used to do, if they eat ice cream, see, mindful eating, pura logai sokai, they used to eat the ice cream, yes?
Right.
If you, যেতিয়া আমি বিয়া ঘৰত বহি থাকো,
Mhm.
you just observe a baby, what they used to do in the parties. What they used to do, you know? Udham. They come to the bride, they take that pan masala they used to have. If somebody asks them dance, they will start dancing. If somebody asks sing, they will start singing. Can we do that in this age? Follow me. You are here.
I don't think so.
No, no. Why?
That is very difficult.
Why difficult? Ujjwal Pratim, how to overcome anxiety? Yes, we will answer your question, sir. We will answer your question. We will experience it. We will do something. So what you know basically, bachas are very natural, less of your ego. But amar ki hoy, ami janeke dangor ho, ami imantu, amar ego to imantu. So we cannot do all these things. Ami naturalness, sahajar pora ami kobar eta unnatural state of jam. যেতিয়া আমি unnatural state of থাকে, আমি হিমান stress feel কৰিম, হিমান tight contract feel কৰিম. We cannot move, আমি কতো ভালকে খাব নোৱাৰিম, আমি কাৰো কথা পাতিব নোৱাৰিম. We will sit like a statue. Yes? So be like a baby from today onward, okay, everybody. Do not behave like a baby. बचपना नहीं करना है. क्या करना है? Childish. वो जो मन है ना, वो जो हम थे, मस्ती, चुस्ती, फुर्ती, जिबला हमारा आसिले, my childhood, इतिहास আছে, but it's hidden somewhere else. कोबर लुकाई গৈছে, তাক আমি উলিয়াই আনিম বাহিৰত. Be sahaj in every situation. Be natural. What will happen? Nothing will happen. Nobody will laugh at you, no? Nothing will happen. Be happy. আমি জানেকে আমি তেনেকে must হয়, no? Yes?
Right.
So Ujjwal Pratik asks, shall I answer now, follow me, or later on?
Ma'am, we'll get to that once we are done with the basic session. We can open the interactive thing and we can ask for more questions.
Okay.
Ma'am, the next question would be, could you tell us how to, maintain the work-life balance and also, maintain fitness while working? As you know, because of the work from home thing, everybody is like sitting in front of the laptops and computers for too long. And how do they maintain their fitness and how do they overcome the stress?
Very nice question, you know. So if you want to lose your weight, basically the girls, the ladies, they want to lose weight. Yes, follow me?
Right.
Lose weight, no? You want to know the secret?
Yeah, I mean, that would be great. That will be the best takeaway, I guess, for everybody.
Oh, okay. So what, you know, basically, I mean, such a long time, even now, I have to sit from morning 7 to till sometime 11 o'clock. In between, I'll get a little bit break for jharu pocha and bartan kapra as a ladies. So, okay. But what we have to do, if you sit for a long time, like 30 minutes or 40 minutes, we have to work on the laptop or some like that sitting job. So what, I mean, ki koribo lage? I mean, all of stretching koribo lage, okon uthi jabo lage chair par. Or if you not get time to wake up, or anike uthibole amar janike kono chance nai, then what we used to do, we can stress. By sitting, we can do some stretching. How many of you want to learn the sitting stretching? Follow me. You want to learn?
All of us.
Yes. Okay then. We will
Show us
demonstrate
some easy steps, like easy stretching.
Okay. Done. You follow me scared. I don't know that international level to yoga teacher. I don't know.
Right.
Ask to the tip of the nose to the toe. This is not my cup of tea. It's not like that. I'm also lazy yogi. Okay. So what we used to do, suppose you are sitting over there. Okay. You are in front of your screen. I mean, screen over here. So just press your both the hands up. Stretch. Stretch above the hands. Up, 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 up. Up. Stretch. Yeah. Do you have any million? Milli, pull your fingers towards you. Angoli kita nijor fale and push your palm outside. Then you can do the wall ideas and push the wall. Push the wall. Push. Yes. Now we have to clean the mirror. Okay, aina kon safa koribo lage. What we used to do? Just move your palm. And again, move palm to ground. Follow me, experience. If you wish, you can experience. Move your palm a little bit. Yeah, something start happening. No, kibata hobole start koribo. Jiman kibata hobo. Your smile should be that big. Ekdom jiman dangor smile hobo lagibo. Wow. And relax. So something is happening. I'm doing it. Hope everyone is. Yeah, do experience. Something is happening. No, here some warmth is coming down. Kibata hoise na garam bostu. That is energy. We are raising our energy. Now what we will do? Just pull your hand up, interlace your finger, and lengthen your spine up. Pull up, up, pull up. With the spine. Okay, from today onward, you are like it. Babies. So babies should smile. Up, more. Pull up. Yeah, and relax with awareness. Wow, nice. No? Now right hand on your left knee. Left hand on your back side. And just turn back, look back. Pisfale sam. Hu hat khon. Bao athor uporot. Bao hat khon pisfale. Aru me pisfale guri pelai sam. Just turn back. Spinal twist. Keep breathing. 2-3 long deep breath in and out. And relax. Left hand on your right knee, right hand on the back side. Just turn back. And feel the stretch. Keep breathing. Ukha loi thako, eri thako. Aru radhar dalot kiba eta stretch hoise tak mon di thako. And relax. Now, what ami ki kore? The 3 fingers. Take your 3 fingers. Just here. Press clockwise and anti-clockwise. Amar moor bikhale ami enuka koro, no? Clockwise.
So this is like a reflex action actually. We usually do this
Absolutely.
very often.
We used to do, no? You usually do. Once we get the headache or something like stress out, we usually do this, no? Oh, iman moor bikhaise matha nosto nokoribi. Yes?
Right.
My head. We do not say like do not bang my stomach or belly, no? We used to say do not bang my head. See, very interesting. It's already there. The mechanism is already there. With awareness, we will do. This 3 finger, just massage 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. And relax. Nowadays, ami hahi bole to pahori golo na. Bada mushkil se ami hahu. So now what we will do? This area, from here to this area is a stress-prone area. So now, again, just 3 fingers. Just pull up your jawline. Yeah. Pull up. If you can smile, very nice. If you cannot, you do this, okay? Every day. Whenever you get time, you just do this. Jetia homoy pa eneke kori korok. Ar jodi homoy napai eneke hahi thakibo aru, ha? Yeah, and relax. Now, just first finger and thumb, ami eyebrows dalok press kore. Make your eyebrows. Make your eyebrows. Yeah. Wow, it's nice, no? Now, these 2 fingers, just align your nose. Etia homoy ase sage naak to sidha kora. Try koro. Jar naak to step eta sidha koribole chesta koro. Wow. Now, jeneke ami kajal lagao no? So kajal logwar nisnake ami kajalor tall to eneke kori press korim aru yata halka press. 1, 2, and 3. Now the tears gland with these 2 fingers, first finger and thumb, tears gland to ami halka halka press korim. 1, 2, 3 opposite. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now open your mouth wide and close. Like a pout. I mean, pout koro na exact photo tuli bole teneke. Those who want long face, you can do the cheek you want. You can do this every day, 10 times, 20 times. Okay, wide open, mouth wide open. Dangor ke mukhon khula and pout. And relax. Now pull your ear, okay? Nijor kankhon tanibo ha. Ane ghorat konoba ase je tani dibo pare. Je moi tani diok apnar kankhon. Aru kiya badla thakile loi lebo pare na. Your ear. You know what? When we are small, when we were in the school, amak enike uthak baithak koraisile na. So awareness point is a cannot. If you do this every day, our awareness bahibo. Now clockwise and anti-clockwise. Cycle salao kandu kandi. And relax. Now massage your neck, okay? Not others. Massage, massage, massage. You can take advantage also. Yes, I will do for you. And relax. Now press your shoulder. See, jiman pain thakibo, shoulder to eneke press korte jodi bahut excessive pain ase, so you have lots of stress here. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Then stretch both the hands. Front, fingers towards you, palm outside. Then fingers wide apart, wide apart. And make a fist, tight fist, tight, and wide. Make a fist and tight. Now thumb inside, make a fist and start rotate your fist. 1, 2, 3, 4 opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax both the hands on the shoulder. Join your elbow. Breathe in, elbow goes up and down with a smile. In and up and down. In, up and down, opposite. I mean, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Breathe in and out. And out. Breathe in. And relax. Pump your shoulder. Look a little funny, but doesn't matter. For yourself, you can do this much. Now, what we used to do, just pull up your leg, hold with your fingers and bring near to your chest. Yes, and try to touch your nose to the knee, but do not force yourself. Listen to your body, okay? Relax. किसी का गणेश जी का ये आ गया ना, तो वो हो नहीं सकता. कबार गणेश जी आई से, तो ठीक है सर. हिमान के पारे में हिमान करो. Now lift up your left leg up, hold, pull the hand to the chest, and try to bring nose to the knee. Relax. Now feel the energy. Wake up, no? Whole body is wake up now. Body to ekdam jagi golle. Every cells, if you do little this much also enough. If you do this much, this is enough, Every day we should do a little bit for ourselves. We want 24 hours. Our 24 hours should be good. Yes?
Right,
So-
ma'am. Thanks a lot. I think this will be really beneficial for all of us. And my personal interest is like, I really want to know about your experiences while you were working with convicts. You know, I have been dying to listen about that.
Lots
If you
of
could
viewers,
share a few anecdotes.
they will confuse, follow me. Lots of viewers here, they will confuse like, oh,
Yeah.
she's a yoga teacher, she's a meditation teacher, and apart from them, now where the convicts come here, no? So
Right.
basically, I used to work in a prison dealing some sensitive projects in all over the Northeast. Kishuman ami project koro gote Northeast convicts are logot. It's really very amazing to work with the convicts, you know. If we want to know how fortunate we are, ami jodi janibo khojo ami kiman bhagyashali hoy, we should visit once in jail. Ami jailot jaboi lage, no? Actually, what you know, initially when I started this jail project, it was very scary for me to go there as a woman, Maiki Manu, then and a bahu. Okay, so it's really very difficult to go to the jail, being a woman. So initially it was very struggling, and kaba kole sobe bhoy khai, oh jailole kyo jabo lage, aru to kam ase. But I was very passionate, you know, for the society, for the prisoners, for the convicts. Kiba to koribo lage tahator kaam enekwa lage montu. Then I started working with them. With some few projects we started, and now it's become my passion, you know. And JTR পৰা মই prisonত গৈ এইবিলাক start কৰিবলৈ slowly I saw that more যিবিলাক problems আছিলে মোৰ নিজৰ personal, the small thing where I stuck up, the small emotions, somebody said me something, কোনোবাই মোৰ কথা কিবা ক'লে, somebody teach me, somebody, everything erased, everything just because of jail project. I'm so fortunate, you know, working with the jails. So I invite everybody and Anajari team, because you youth are doing wonderful. I welcome you all. I'll take you to the jail to experience all this. মই লৈ যাম তোমালোকক, ঠিক আছে?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
মই কোৱাতকে if you visit, if you experience yourself, আপনার নিজে যদি যোৱা, নিজে visit কৰা, experience কৰা, it will be very nice, you know. There's something beyond spellbound. I do not have words to explain actually.
Ma'am, can you tell me like what makes a person so ferocious, or so, you know, how can somebody harm another person? What's the mindset of those people? Are they similar to us, or they are like always sort of in a violent mode? So what's the difference? Like,
Wow.
how do they end up doing such stuff?
This is really a very nice and very deep question, you know. You say like we all are equal or same. So how could be a people so ferocious? Yes? Yes?
Right.
So you see, we all are in this world, the human beings. Kuji kunu manuhe, they all are very good. Sob bhal hai. Everybody. But we just people like according to their mood, no? According to their action, we used to judge. But if we do not judge, we see as a person, if we see the mistake as a mistake, he korise, moi korisu, doesn't matter. Then the things happen, you know, tetiahe kothato bone. Like what I felt in the prison, you know, moi jetia convicts or kotha patu, inmates or kotha patu. I want to share one experience. That time I was in Tinsukia. One hardly 19-20 years girl. So calm, so quiet, so innocent eyes. She was a lifer, lifetime convict. Means lifetime convict means 20 years. I was so upset. But we have some guideline. We cannot ask the personal things. But that day, you know, I was like, no, I should ask her. I was so upset. seeing her like that. So I asked her, what happened to you? Ki hol tumar? Then she said something. I don't want to. Something horrible. I said, Tumaru iman khong uthe na? You will also this much anger? You have this much anger? She said, I don't know, Didi, what happened? Kuch to hua. And I did. I said, oh my God. Then she said, no, I don't know what happened. That moment, if we can aware on that moment, if we can aware on that moment, like, oh, I'm getting so much anger. I'm getting so much anger. Or if we get some technique to release from that anger, it will be nice. No, that time that lady, that girl, I should not say lady because it's 19 years old married woman, a girl. So সেইটো মই যদি তাইৰ ওচৰত এটা টেকনিক থাকিলেহেঁতেন আৰু তাই যদি বুজি পালে অলপ awareness মোৰ ইমান খং উঠিছে মই চিটুৱেশ্যনটো এৰি গুচি যাওঁ I should leave the situation I should do little breathing exercise so মোৰ খংটো ঠিক হৈ যাব but we do not have the technique or we are not aware in our life so আমাৰ সবৰে হয় ন আমাৰ সবৰে হয় নে কেতিয়াবা ইমান বেছি খং উঠে লাগে যে কিবা কৰি দিও আৰু যদি আমি aware নহয়
in there I would want to ask you are there any breathing exercises or breathing practices that we can do when we feel such kind of emotions?
Absolutely, we have very nice technique we have. You want to learn? You want to learn?
Right.
I want to do.
Yeah.
Tell me. You want to learn? Okay. So
Yeah.
now, it's now. Shall we tell now? Yes. Etya komna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, whenever
I think we have.
Yes.
Yeah, we do. Yeah.
Whenever we feel stressed, no, like intolerable anger sometimes happens, no, intolerable anger in office or in family or in relationship, है ना? और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे teenagers भी जुड़े हुए हैं, girlfriend boyfriend के ऊपर भी ऐसे हो जाता है, चलो लगाई दे, ऐसे लगता है ना? So at that time, what we used to do, you know, just blow a balloon. Imaginary balloon you have to, if you blow a imaginary balloon, you know, it will control your anger. How, you know, because we cannot control our mind by mind. মই কৈছিলো না আমাৰ মনটোৰে আমি মনটো কন্ট্ৰোল কৰিব নোৱাৰো and every আমাৰ মনটো আমাৰ উশাহৰ লগত কানেক্ট হৈ আছে যেতিয়া আমাৰ খং উঠে when we get angry our breath pattern change did you notice আমাৰ breath pattern change হৈ যায় যেতিয়া আমি খং উঠে কি হয় breath pattern বহুত খৰখৰ হৈ যায় become very fast कुछ किसी का तो ऐसे धुआं भी निकलता है ऐसे बनाते हैं पेंटिंग में गुस्से में धुआं निकलना है so our breath बहुत fast है and और যেতিয়া আমাৰ দুখ লাগে when we get when we are in misery or upset when usually the girls what we used to do we used to cry no how no short breath ऐसे এনেকে ভাঙি হয় so our emotions or logot our breath to connect হৈ আছে if we know how to manipulate our breath we can control all the situations in our life all the evil situations আমি যদি আমাৰ breath to control কৰিব জানি যাও শিকি যাও we can control anything you know in this world anything you want to learn now follow me shall I demonstrate now okay so whenever you feel stressed what we used to sit in a spine erect আমি ৰাজহাড়ডাল সিধাকে বহিব লাগে because ৰাজহাড়ডালত backbone-ত energy to flow if we sit like this বটলটো এনেকুৱা থাকিলে কি হ'ব তাৰ হাফ পানী ভৰিব ন বটলটো সিধা হলে erect থাকিলে পুৰা পানী we have to sit spine erect hands palm on your knees open to the sky like this okay and what আমি দীঘল উশাহ ল'ম blow a balloon okay this is one technique I'll give you one more technique so blow 10-15 balloons and you see your state of mind it's amazing you know wherever you feel stressed you feel very what if you go for the interview what will happen very nervous no अभी ना मुझे भी हो रहा था पता है यहाँ आने के पहले तो मैंने ना स्क्रीन ऑफ करके मैंने भी कर लिया था पता है ऐसा कुछ नहीं सबका होता है वो so जैसे butterfly start running here the stomach is somebody asks something to say something starts happening here, no? Some good goodie. So if you do this now, blow balloon, it will vanish, okay? The second, what we can do, you know, bohutor ki ase, amar smoking habit ase. I do not smoke, okay? But we have, okay? So smoking what ki hoy? Ami ki koro? We take the cigarette, burn. Yes, I'm not habituate, okay? Pisot anike nakole hole ma'am goraki aisile is pakka habituate smoking. I'm not, okay? So basically, you know what? The dhua doesn't work. It will harm your lung. The dhua, the smoke, it will apunak help nokore actually. This is myth. It will harm your organs. But what works, you know, the breath. How you are manipulating your breath. You know what you, ami ki koro? Ami ukha lone. So the viewers, even viewers, I said those who are smoker, those who are ठीक है कोई बात नहीं होता है जो भी ऐसे स्मोक करते हैं वो आसन ऐसे करके देखेंगे ठीक है without the stick okay then second tips then somebody asks anxiety whenever you feel very stressed out you cannot manage your situation like oh I want to bang my head ko ban murdu mari diu whenever you feel that type of situation to ki kore mami just breathe in and hold the breath tight your whole body tight. All the organs, stomach, cup muscle tight. And breathe out from the mouth. Ah. Wow, so nice. Experience, okay? If you cannot have rasgulla, we cannot say the taste. So experience and then tell me. And you know what? Paulomi or Priyanshu is here. They will share my phone number. I'm 24/7 available for human beings. I have donated my life for the human beings and the society and the animals. So you can disturb me anytime. Okay? Or मैं जेल पे रहती हूँ ना तो मैं phone ऐसे disconnect करके बाद में लिख देती हूँ. So you can text me anytime. And in this time, if you feel very stressed out, the time is not good. Yes. It's really very stressed out. Everybody in this world, kabar khabole nai, no kabar mentally kabar bacha, kiba lots of some things happening in this world. So what ami ki koribo lage enekwa situation? No, everybody need a solution, some easy solution, not like some going to the Himalayas, sit and meditate, not like that. So basically, if we do little bit stretching, if we be with the nature for some time, maybe our nature me time eta, ami ki kori bhal pao. Talk with yourself, you know. Kiman din ami amar logot kothai pota nai. Did you ask yourself how are you? How are you, my fingers? No, kiman amagi kam angoli kitai kam korai thake. Ask yourself. Talk with, sit with yourself. Listen for some beautiful music. Be with the nature. Full bilak how can it fully jai, no? Be with the animals. But nature cannot give you rag dves. Nature cannot get you among nature khongrag dibonware. Khongrag kune diye jane only human being. Whenever you feel stressed, you see it is from human being. So jenekwa hoy, just move out, sit with yourself, be with your nice something, and you will be happy. Just awareness, just a little bit awareness, yes?
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Aru eta question asile mor. আমি sitting posture বোৰ যেনেকে mostly বহি থাকোতে এনেকুৱা হৈ যায় ন মানে আমি এনেকে বহি থাকিব নোৱাৰো even like ময়ো বহুত try koro je straight ke bohu but lahe lahe এনেকুৱা হৈ যায় so how do you maintain posture
this one no
oh
yes.
right
slowly become like this everybody but you know what we should not sit like that if you see a person আমি যদি এজন মানুহ দেখো এনেকুৱা slouch কৰি থকা আমাৰ ভাল লাগে জানো দেখি something bhala lage na if I sit like this now yeah follow me tell me you will block me you know but if we sit straight with a spine erect the posture is very important amar sitting posture amar actors bilakok ami sao how they sit you know they sit like this yes if you see they sit usually they sit like this why you know it's not a style They just interlace their finger, put here, and they just lock their backbone. If you sit like this now, sit. Automatically our backbone will straight. It will lock your backbone. And when we sidha boho, the benefit is what, you know? Our stomach related problem naikya ho jabo. ঠিক আছে? And our mood swing naikya ho jabo. Our jete mon to beya hoy, you see, we sit like this. No? Kuji muji khai bohi thak amar jete mon to beya hoy. And if you sit like this with shoulder open and sidha boho, tenko manu sayo bhal lage na? Bhal lage na? So from today onward, jete ami office ot kaam kor amar hobo, amar olop olop to hobo, no doubt, but ami aware ho, ami sidha sidha bohim aji pa, okay? Yes?
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think we should take in questions. Anxiety questions, though you answered already. Let us just check.
Follow me. Most important for the viewers, we should hydrate ourselves, you know. It's very, very important to hydrate ourselves. पानी पीना चाहिए, पता है? बीच-बीच में ऐसे थोड़ी-थोड़ी sip लेना चाहिए.
Right. Do we have any questions?
No, there is no questions on Facebook actually. There was just the anxiety one.
Right. Anything else? Okay. Anyone from our team? Priyanshu, Payal?
Yeah, I had a question. The thing is like, what if, how to control panic attacks?
How to control panic attack?
Yeah.
Doing breathing exercise, smoking, or yogic breath. One more breath. Yogic technique is there. Would you like to learn that?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, ami ki korbo laibo? Same. We have 6 feet of spine, right? This is a yogic breath, okay? Ami jeta ukha lo, we bloat our stomach and we expand our chest. Aru jeta ami ukhai rim, ami chest dhilai rim, aru ami stomach to navel to bhitorle pull kore. So how? This is called yogic breath. So few like 10, 20 breath. You can do lying down in lying position also. You can do or in sitting position also. You know, panic attacks, stress, everything can manage only through breathing exercise. No meditation, no medicine will work. Because I gone through all this panic attack, sufferings, physical, lots of things. So only this yoga, meditation, and the breathing exercise helps me out to be in this normal life. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a question. How long does it take for a beginner to actually achieve flexibility, sort of basic flexibility?
See, flexibility doesn't matter, you know. Suppose I can bend this much, like I can bend this much, this much, but for you cannot bend. To me, okay, wherever you feel comfortable. Sthiram sukham asanam. Asan ahan korute sthir aru sukh purbok hobo lage. You are beginner, so etu khodai ami monot rakhim. It doesn't matter if you cannot go this much or you cannot stress this much, doesn't matter. But sthir aru sukh purbok ami jetia stress koru. Like wow, we do know. Usually we used to do wow, something like that. We feel good, no? That much. Or is it stressful? You want to go? I mean, tate alog deri, hold kore. We should feel the stress. Okay? That much only. No need. Slowly, you will see. You are very nice, like your body will start listening to you. You're very flexible. Do not stress yourself. Listen to your body. Do only 5% more. Push yourself for 5% more. Okay? 5% push kar. Okay. Do not
Ma'am,
force.
we have a question from Mayuri. She is concerned about the fact that how can someone be childish and and be happy when we are constantly being asked to be mature and responsible for our behavior and actions in this
Absolutely
competitive world.
no need to behave like a child. Your man should be like a child. If you feel, you just experience, okay? If you are a situation is like that, you are dining in a party, तुम्हें कोई बड़ा party go ऐसा, and you feel very stiff, some like tight. Can you go like no no? From inside, if you feel relaxed, okay, doesn't matter. I'm here. I'll have food. I'll have puchka. I have this. No need to do childish. हमें childish न करो बचपना नहीं करना है मन को बचपन उम्र बचपन yes so be your mind should be like a if your mind is like a child you know तो আমার মাঝে জান থাকে full of that energy if you see the child as you observe কৰিম আমি হা এটা বাচ্চা চাই থাকিলে we catch the energy you see বাচ্চাটোৱে হাঁহিলে আমিও হাঁহো no so because the bachas are full of energy no और हमार की हमार में लॉन्ग फेस हो जाए कि वो सिचुएशन बनिबो किमान सिचुएशन बनिले किमान ठीक হ'ল আকৌ सिचुएशन बनिबो আকৌ ঠিক হৈ যাব না তাচৰি আমি এনেকে মনটো লং ফেস বনাই থাকো your choice to comfortable.
Ma'am, we have two more questions. One question is from a viewer. Um, the question is how to motivate children to do yoga. And another question is, okay, if someone is sort of thinking of committing suicide or is in a very depressed state, how do we talk to that person and how do we get that person out of that state?
Okay, see if you are expert, first question was बच्चों को कैसे करवाना है so किमान एज और है बच्चा तो that's matter actually if he is below 8 years or 7 years so we should learn from them they are already yogi okay they do everything workout stretching if you see the baby you know they do the nokasan heart and upor kori nokasan koribo they do the headstand they do everything all the yoga postures if he is 8 years and above then we have lots of that kind of technique আৰু parents force কৰিব নালাগে actually বাচ্চা ঠিক আছে parents যদি force কৰে they will get disinterest they will say oh my mama will say this my mama will say pado my mama will say do this do that don't do that okay give them that freedom and influence tar friends work so the friends e koribo he automatically start okay and we are here okay we are expert on that we will share our number definitely you can contact me I will guide you okay do not force
Thank you so much.
bacha force ami nokoro okay my side okay done so okay
Another suicidal state question.
see if you are expert enough then deal with the person see what happened suppose we are stressed out okay I mean stressed out if somebody come with a glass of water what was our reaction আমি কেনেকুৱা reaction দেখাম আমাৰ এনেকুৱা লাগে just throw
Very relief.
no খং উঠে but
Sometimes okay I mean sometimes it can be relieving also sir. Like if we are very angry
or sometimes it's like oh মোক অকলে এৰি দিয়া I want to be alone I want to don't come to me now because I want to sit alone yes so be very sensitive and tell him or her like we all are with you see the nature with us you know nature loves us unconditionally nature amak unconditionally bhal pai why we need the person's love or kiba kibi why we want to commit a suicide we have our 2 eyes 2 legs 2 hands ears everything is okay why we first find out the root cause no This is a state of mind. बोलते हैं मन सीता तो जग सीता. This is a state of mind, nothing else, you know. If you talk with your mind, if you do little yoga, asanas, pranayamas, little meditation, definitely will come out. And I'm here, okay? We are trained person. Follow me, share my number with him, okay?
Yeah, sure.
You do not
Ma'am, we have another question.
kind of state. This is an order.
Youngsters mostly feel yoga is very boring and they don't feel attracted to the whole concept of yoga. So how do we popularize the concept of yoga among the youth?
Youngsters, yeah, okay.
Okay.
Like the general concept of yoga, what? The long tila, the saffron. Am I look like that? Follow me. Tell me frankly,
Definitely
lots
not.
of viewers here. Am I look like that? But I'm passionate for yoga, you know. I'm passionate for yoga. Yoga is nothing. Yoga is nothing. Actually, manme iman youngsters of NK Korai is titi. 1, 2. I saw that things. So youngsters are like, oh my God, kya? Yes, anybody got long kurta pajama and something else, and they will give lots of homework, so they will not do. Even I will not do. I'm telling you frankly. It should be interesting, no? It should be interesting. So I said, no, like if we do the stretching with awareness, we used to do the stretching. With awareness, do that much. Be happy, always alert. Ho gaya yoga. Synchronize your body, breath, and mind. যদি আমি মন শরীৰ আৰু উশাহক এক জায়গা কৰিব পাৰো, synchronize while eating, while talking, while playing, while watching movie, synchronize your body, breath, and mind. Okay, for youngsters, and I'm here. I deal with a youth. You can talk with me. Then we will do some nice dancing yoga. Okay, we have something that kind of.
And there is another question from Mayuri. She wants to know a few yoga poses that can help with headaches.
Okay, what you can do, just do one pranayama, okay? Pranayama, initially start with a breathing exercise. First, this is thumb and tip of your first finger, okay? Just put it in your knee, open to the sky, then ring finger and thumb on both the nostril, and first finger and middle finger in between your eyebrows. Pratham burha anguli aru angulti pinna anguli to nostril oporat rakhim. First finger and middle finger duita amar eyebrows or mazat thakibo. Like feather doesn't get press no koro. Look up feather and a sweet thakibo. And inhale from the both the nostril. I mean duita nakero khalam. And block your right nostril, exhale from the left. Again inhale from the left, bow nakere ukhalo. Bow now to block kore mure ready. So relax. আমি এনেকে 9 to 21 times করিম, and most important, what you know, while we doing this pranayam, we should the noise should not be there. What usually people মানুহক আমি দেখিছো, this is called alternate nostril breathing, আৰু বহুতে অনুলোম বিলোম কয়, যেতিয়া কৰে মানুহে কেনেকৈ কৰে মই দেখাও নেকি, some funny way. Not like that.
I think it also hurts the back. If you do it this way, it hurts the back for some reason.
Not only the back, you know, we have 182 nadis in our body, it will hurt. Okay, so breath should be deep, smooth, long, and deep. Nijor ukhahor shobdo nijeo khunibo nalage. Mayuri, today you just jetia ami headache hoy, just experience, okay? I always experience some beautiful things we have.
Ma'am,
Okay.
actually, I have tried your asana, which you have showed right now. It
Mhm.
usually brings more headache. When I place my fingers in between my eyebrows, it usually brings more headache. I feel more tinkling. Yeah.
Yes.
I usually overthink everything. Every now and then, I am a overthinker, so
कोई बात
it's
नहीं,
a
कुछ कुछ नहीं.
it's little difficult.
No, it's not difficult, baby. It's very easy. Take it easy. Change your mind state. See, while we're doing this, you feel more headache, yes?
Yeah.
Because your this area is suffering from stress. You say no, you are over the area. To me, soft kothai bahut basic bhaba, yes? So
Yeah.
stop thinking or we cannot stop our thinking. We do not have switch like, oh, Mayuri, off the switch. We do not have that, no? So what I saw you 3 pranayama, no, the breathing exercise, that yogic breath, then this smoke, no, then hold the breath and exhale from the mouth. Do that, okay?
Okay.
And see, life is like a game. It's not very tough. It's not very tough. We make it tough. Our problems were 20%, and we make it 120. চবৰ লগত কথা পাতি আৰু কোনোবাই আমাক আৰু তাতে এড অন কৰিব yes yes Mayuri, oh my god, you cannot come out. Do not listen to them, okay? See,
Yeah.
আমি বহুত problems পালো জীৱনত আৰু বহুত problems পৰা ওলাইও আহিলো আকৌ problems আহিব আকৌ আমি ওলাই আহিম. Be relax, be aware. আমি এনেকৈ ভাবিম problems আহিছ, okay, that will be, তয়ো যাবি আৰু যেতিয়া সুখ আহিব তাকো কম তয়ো আহিছ, তয়ো যাবি. Be happy, okay, baby? And I'm here. You just take my number, I'll help you. Okay?
Sure, I would love to connect.
Then, thank you. Yes? It's already 7.
Ma'am, and is there any question from anybody?
I would like to ask one question.
Mhm.
I actually suffer from very severe period cramps. So what do you have any tips for that?
Asanas?
Yeah.
Yes.
And also the headaches and the mood swings. So yeah, it's
What
very.
is your age? What is your age?
I'm 21 right now.
Oh, okay. So, see, basically the sedentary lifestyle. Okay?
Yeah.
Do you have PCOS problem?
Yeah, I used to. Yeah, yeah, I have.
No problem. I'm here. I'm a wellness teacher also.
Yeah.
So, see, this is the PCOS and the PCOS cramps or the headache. We cannot deal here. Okay, we need little time to. It's curable. It's curable. Okay.
Yeah.
No need to scare. It's curable, and we have few asanas, and few you have to correct your lifestyle. Okay.
Yeah.
So I can show you one asanas now, but if we give you some more tips, it will be more benefit. Now you tell me what you want, that the temporary relief or you want the permanent solution, because you are
No,
trying.
yeah, I want a permanent solution. It's very irritating.
You just take my number, talk to
Yeah,
me.
sure. Yeah,
Definitely I'll help you, okay, I'll give you one package.
Yeah, okay.
Because due to that periods or PCOS you are getting headache, it's related, the body, mind, it's related. Most of our disease is psychosomatic. Psychosomatic, 10% disease is original disease. If we treat our mind, if we know how to treat our mind, so বহুত বেমাৰ নিজে ঠিক হৈ যাব. You want to learn?
Yes, sure. Is it related to diet also?
No punishable diet. I do not like. I just love eating rice
Yeah.
or food or something. Okay. Not
Okay.
that much.
Because go on.
Because PCOS mostly, it's happened due to the sedentary lifestyle. Okay.
Yeah.
I will. মই তোমাৰ লগত কথা পাতিম, হ'ব?
Yeah. Sure. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, I have a question. So, আমি যেতিয়া meditation কৰো বা yoga কৰো, আমি কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ music add কৰিব পাৰো, মানে for the whole, process, আমি কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ music শুনিব পাৰো, বা এনেকুৱা টাইপৰ music if you can suggest us.
Well, I like flute music, you know. Whenever I feel little low, I used to put on my flute music and sit with awareness. Would you like to experience? How many of you would like to experience? I don't want to torture you, okay? I don't want to torture you. If you really want, we can sit for 5 or 4 or 3 minutes with eyes closed here. See, meditation is not doing something. Meditation is to sit alertful, sit with your spine erect and rest. এতিয়া এটা কথা হয় ন আমি যেতিয়া ধ্যান কৰি ইমান থটছ আহি থাকে ন ইটস গুড অনলি ইফ থটছ কাম ন ইটস ভেৰি নাইচ যেনেকে ক্লাউডছ আহে আৰু গুচি যায় ইটস জাষ্ট লাইক দ্যাট যেনেকে আমাৰ মোবাইলত এভৰিবডি হ্যাভ দিস ন ব্ৰহ্মাস্ত্ৰ নাও ইট ইজ সো এই ব্ৰহ্মাস্ত্ৰত কি হয় যেতিয়া বহুত বেছি ফাইলছ হৈ যায় তেতিয়া আমি কি কৰোঁ we used to use the delete button. Yes, we delete button to use koro and the file start moving to the trash bin. Yes, no, I mean files will have trash bin not go to carry. So what is that? Amar eto device to khali hoy gol. This is also a very strong powerful device. Yes, eto ji banaise eto hi banaise na so ya to bahut store hoi thake conscious unconscious subconscious mind or bahut bostu store hoi thake ইয়াক ইৰেজ কৰাৰ এটাই উপায় আছে মেডিটেশ্যন আৰু মেডিটেশ্যন যেতিয়া আমি বহু আমাৰ থটছ আহে বহুত ধৰণৰ কথা কানেক্টেড থটছ নহয় ডিসকানেক্টেড থটছ লাইক মই দিল্লী গৈছিলো মই ইউৰোপিয়ান কান্ট্ৰি ফুৰিব গৈছিলো তাত আমুকত গৈছিলো মই ডুবাই গৈছিলো মই ঘৰত কিচেনত আছিলো মই লাড্ডু বনাইছিলো মই ডগিৰ লগত খেলিছিলো সামথিং বহুত থটছ এনেকে পপ আপ হ'ব ইটস গুড সব ফাইলস ট্ৰেছ বিনত গৈ আছে your work you have to sit with a spine erect and you have to focus on your breath but that much that is meditation or jitu music hobo synchronize your body breath mind and music yes shall we do follow me shall we experience a little bit
Yeah, we can for a minute or so. Yeah, I mean, if everybody is up for it.
It's an open forum that is why, you know, like people.
Yeah, we can do that.
We can do that, Priyanshu.
Yeah.
Can we hear the music?
Yeah.
So wait, I'll tell you when. So what basically we have to do? We have to sit like this, or if you wish, apna jodi tolat boi ase palti mari boibo paru like this. This is my favorite position, you know. My daughter do not like this, sitting like this. She said, "Mama, no." Okay. So if you feel comfortable, you can sit like this, or you can sit like this. Can be comfortable feel. Palm open to the sky, resting on your knees or thighs. Eyes closed. If you cannot close your eyes, doesn't matter. The beginners, sometimes they not able to close their eyes. Doesn't matter. Open eyes. Or what? Now, Priyanshu will play a music. What will we have to do? We have to focus on our breath. Without permission, we cannot allow our breath to go in, or without our permission, we cannot exhale. Like a honored guest, যেনেকে ঘৰত গেষ্ট আহিলে আমি ওয়েলকাম কৰো তেনেকে আমি আমাৰ উশাহটোক ওয়েলকাম কৰিম আৰু গেষ্টক যেনেকে আমি সি অফ কৰি বাহিৰত পঠাই দিওঁ তেনেকে আমি পঠাই দিওঁ just that much and just dissolve on the music okay eyes close sit straight smile on your face prasannata ke sath smile on your face body relax mind relax Priyanshu you can play music breath in and let go. Take another deep breath in and relax. Become aware of your body and surroundings. Whenever you feel complete, slowly and gradually, you may open your eyes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was so refreshing.
Thank you.
Any more questions from the viewers? No more questions, ma'am. Thanks a lot for the session. It was so beneficial and we have so much to take away from it. And we hope.
I have a takeaways for the viewers,
Right.
Shall I read out? I just noted down some few takeouts. Wait. So whenever we are stressed, what we have to do? We have to blow 10, 15, 20 balloons. Imaginary big balloons. Okay? আমি কি করি আমি যেটা স্ট্রেস হও আমি ডাঙৰ বেলুন ফুলাম ইমাজিনারি বেলুন বহি বহি ঠিক আছে আমি কম্পিটিশন কৰিম লাইক মি এন্ড পলমি লেটস ব্লো আ বেলুন কাৰ কিমান ডাঙৰ হয় ইমাজিনারি ওকে লাইক দ্যাট ওয়ান দেন save your mind at any cost. We have to save our mind. যেনেকে হলো আমার মনটোক আমি বচাই ৰাখিম তো জজিতা okay then keep busy yourself আমি যেতিয়া লেজি হৈ যাও একো নকৰো তেতিয়া lots of things আমাৰ মনত ঘুৰিবলৈ start কৰে then mindful eating eat with awareness जैसा अन्न ऐसा मन যেনেকুৱা অন্ন খাম যেনেকে আমি খাম তেনেকুৱা মনটো হ'ব সো মাইন্ডফুল ইটিং চিউ বা ভালকে আমি সুবাই পেলাই খাম টেষ্ট লৈ পেলাই আমি গমে নাপাওঁ আজি কি খালা গমে নাপাওঁ ধুনু ও ফৰগট কি আমি what we had in the lunch we forgot সো এনেকুৱা নকৰো আমাৰ এই শৰীৰটো এই যে ইমান ডাঙৰ বনিলে ৰুটি সবজি ডাল মিট এগ আন্ডা বহুত লাগি আছে না বডি সো মাইন্ডফুল ইটিং ওকে जैसा अन्न ऐसा मन then me time is very important me time আজিকালি মোৰ me time নাই what is me time that এতিয়া আমি অকমান দেৰি মিউজিক শুনিলো কাবাৰ গাৰ্ডেনিং কৰি ভাল লাগে খেতি বাৰী go to do some gardening তাৰ পৰা আমাৰ কোনো বস্তু খাবলৈ আমাক নালাগে actually that is it gives us immense pleasure actually do kheti bari help people unconditionally go and help people and you see your state of mind it will give you some unconditional satisfaction some I cannot express go and experience okay and be with the nature it's very important ketia ami na pahar khon sabo lage akak khon sabo lage fulor sabo lage pokhila bilak sabo lage sorai bilak sabo lage okay just aji pa nature amak ketia rag dress ni die khong rag amak kone die human being manu he die okay then nature have power to take our negativities okay then 10 minutes stressing with awareness ami yat kiba kibi korisilo ekhinike 10 minutes kore and 30 minutes walk every day very important the lymphatic system to amar thik rakhe ami jodi khus kaho aru ami jodi lazy bird then আমি stressing কৰিম awareness হৈছে আৰু আমি every 30 minutes এনেকে বহি থকাৰ পৰা উঠি আমি ডান্স কৰিম কিবা কৰিম জপিয়াম খেলিম তলত খুজ কাহিম কিবা কৰিম আৰু যিটো আমাৰ বডিটো অলপ warm গৰম কৰি দিয়ে your choice ঠিক আছে মই am very liberal I don't want to give you too much thing okay you just choose yourself options are mine okay then 10 minutes sit with closed eyes focus on your breath every day listen to some nice music jitu apnalokor bhal lage khuni tenka music khuni marbo and thanks to Energery team the viewers I would like to request all the viewers to support Energery all our youth I'm so impressed moi tahatok dekhi iman impressed hoisu in this age if they can take responsibility for the society we can give our children a beautiful society ami jodi enekwa dhoroner groups of help koru ami amar jibur generation ahibo tahatok ami ekon dhuniya prithibhi di jabo parim you see the tahator age ekdom kom koru but they are taking a very big responsibility responsibility equals to power. So, no, that is powerful, and this is our responsibility. This is our responsibility to support এনেকুৱা team বিলাকক যি ইমান ভাল কাম কৰি আছে. I'm so grateful and fortunate, like sharing this platform with me. Thank you, Priyanshu, follow me.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Hope to see you again.
Thank you. Yes, yes.
Thank
Sure.
you, viewers. Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Bye.
I'm always available. Check my numbers. And I'm always available for the human being, for the society. Okay? Love
Thank
you
you,
all.
ma'am.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.